Roasted squash is an autumn classic, simple but incredibly tasty. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 medium squash, butternut, Hokkaido, or another variety suitable for cooking, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, aromatic herbs to taste, rosemary, thyme, sage, etc., garlic powder or whole garlic cloves, optional. Preparation: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Clean the squash by removing the seeds and internal filaments, then cut it into slices or pieces, leaving or removing the skin depending on preference and the variety of squash. Arrange the squash pieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Generously sprinkle with extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and chopped aromatic herbs. If desired, you can also add garlic powder or whole garlic cloves. Mix well so that all the pieces are evenly coated. Roast the squash in the preheated oven for about 30–40 minutes, or until tender and the edges begin to caramelize, turning the pieces once halfway through cooking to ensure even browning. Roasted squash is excellent served hot as a side dish, or cold, added to salads. You can vary the flavors using other spices like paprika, cinnamon, or cumin to give a different taste every time. Enjoy your meal.